Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and boom, your 500 investment just turned into 50,000. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this could be your reality? The crypto market is heating up again, and the altcoins I'm about to reveal could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. But here's the catch. You need to act fast. The window of opportunity is closing, and trust me, you don't want to be the one saying, "I could have been rich." Stick around because today we're diving into the altcoins with the highest potential to explode into. Let's get started. Section 1. Before we get into the juicy details, let's address the elephant in the room. Why altcoins? Why not just stick with Bitcoin or Ethereum? Well, here's the truth. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the giants of the crypto world, altcoins are where the real money is made. They're like the underdogs of the crypto space. Small, nimble, and packed with potential. But here's the kicker. Not all altcoins are created equal. Some will skyrocket, while others will crash and burn. So how do you separate the gems from the garbage? That's exactly what we're here for. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, another crypto video telling me to buy random coins. But hold on, this isn't your average get-rich-quick scheme. I've done the research, crunched the numbers, and I'm about to give you the inside scoop on the altcoins that could change your life. So grab a pen, take notes, and maybe even mute your group chat, because this is important. Section 2. Let's dive into our first altcoin, Coin A. This isn't just another meme coin or a flash in the pan. Coin A is solving real-world problems with groundbreaking technology. Think faster transactions, lower fees, and a team of developers who actually know what they're doing. But here's the real kicker. It's still flying under the radar. That means you can get in early before the masses catch on. And trust me, when they do, the price is going to the moon. But here's the thing. Coin A isn't the only altcoin with massive potential. In fact, the next coin I'm about to reveal is even more explosive. Stick around because you won't believe what's coming next. Section 3. All right, let's talk about Coin B. This one is a game changer. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a revolution. With partnerships with major corporations and a use case that's practically bulletproof, Coin B is poised to dominate its niche. And guess what? It's still trading at a fraction of its potential value. But here's the scary part. This won't last long. Once the big players start buying in, the price will skyrocket, and you'll be left wondering why you didn't act sooner. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but what if I lose money? Look, I get it. Crypto can be scary, but let me ask you this. What's scarier, taking a calculated risk or watching from the sidelines as everyone else gets rich? Exactly. Speaking of getting rich, let's move on to our next altcoin, Coin C. This one is a wild card, but if it pays off, it could make you a fortune. Section 4. Coin C is the dark horse of the crypto world. It's risky, it's volatile, but oh boy, the rewards could be astronomical. With a unique approach to decentralization and a community that's growing by the day, Coin C has all the ingredients for a massive breakout. But here's the catch. You need to act now. The early bird gets the worm, and in this case, the worm could be life-changing wealth. Now, before we wrap up, there's one more altcoin you need to know about. This one is so promising, it could outshine all the others. But I'll save that for the end because trust me, you don't want to miss this. Section 5. All right, here it is, the grand finale. Coin D is the altcoin that could change everything. With a revolutionary approach to blockchain technology and a team of visionaries at the helm, Coin D is set to disrupt the entire crypto market. But here's the thing, opportunities like this don't come around often. The clock is ticking and the choice is yours. Will you take the leap and secure your financial future, or will you let fear hold you back? If you're ready to take the next step, I've got something special for you. Check out my next video, where I break down exactly how to invest in these altcoins without losing your shirt. It's packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you navigate the crypto market like a pro. Click the link on the screen or check out the description below. Don't wait, your future self will thank you.